Gucci doesn't want to give you 15% off. Why? Because Gucci knows that we're going to pay full price anyway. Why? Because it's the Gooch. It's the Gooch. It's Gucci. Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back to my channel if you're a seasoned member of the 202 crew. Today, we are talking about the places online to buy luxury goods. Shall we begin? Let's begin. For all of the following, sign up to all of the newsletters. That is the way you're going to know about all the discounts, all the sales, any flash sales. Everybody loves a good deal. Why pay £300 for something when you can get it for $250? Thank you very much. Most of them, if they have an online app, they usually give you a discount for your first order on the app. Hello! All of these ship worldwide, by the way. Luiza Via Roma. So, this site is great if you're not only looking for, so they have all the high-end stuff, all of your high-end designers, but they also have a lot of like up and coming, especially if you're into like streetwear and more like street style kind of stuff. Luiza Via Roma is the place. And the thing about them is they do a flash sale. Yes, you get an email and for like 24 hours it's like 15% off everything. Certain brands are excluded. For example, Gucci is never in there. The next one is Matches Fashion. So Matches Fashion, again, you're gonna find all the top designers, you're gonna find all the names. They are very similar to like a Netaporter with that kind of thing, but they also tend to do pretty regularly like a spend X, save Y. So like spend £200, save £50, right? Which is, listen, as I said, when it comes to luxury, anything off is something off, okay? It helps. Also, they ship it to you in like super cute packaging, which I am very here for. My Theresa is another really good one online. They also tend to have stuff that if it's sold out everywhere else, try My Theresa and you might have a bit of a chance. For example, I got an off-white belt and it was sold out everywhere. My Theresa had it and they had it in like 4 colours. So do also try them. Obviously, Netaporter, potato. Recently they had a 15% off everything. Hello, I bought some shoes. Shall I show you the shoes? Let me show you the shoes. These are Miu Miu. They're very cute little platform sandals. And with my 15% off, they went from $360 to $300. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Again, they also ship it in very pretty packaging. The Outernet, it's basically an online outlet and it's great, but it's great for specific brands. Some brands don't even bother looking at the Outernet. It's not going to be great or they give you the right of the bunch. But if you're looking for Balmain, absolutely beautiful things, absolutely ridiculous price. It's worth it because of the embellishment and everything, but I'm not about to drop $7 grand on a dress. But on the Outernet, they do amazing deals on Balmain. Alexander Wang is another one they do amazing deals on. D&G, they always have loads. So with certain brands, they have great stock and the Outernet is, she's the plug. Farfetch is great. You search for something and it's going to show you everything and they're all different boutiques around the world, but you just pay through Farfetch and then it just gets delivered to you. It's great, especially if you're looking for something that's a few seasons old, then some random boutique in like Corsica has it and they'll ship it to you. They have this more like this feature, which basically is like, oh, I like this skirt, but it's a bit pricey, but I really like this shape, for example. Then they'll show you loads that are very similar, and then you'll find one that maybe even you like more. So I love that. That is a great feature of Farfetch. Again, worldwide shipping, love it. Moda operandi. Okay, so this one's a bit different. So say if you're absolutely in love with the dress you saw on the runway, blah, 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 then you can pre-order it now and it'll get delivered to you when it actually comes in store in how many months' time. Now, the good thing about this is that when you pre-order, you only have to pay 50%. So not only does it feel cheaper because you're only paying 50% now, and then you pay 50% on delivery, but you know, it doesn't feel as bad. They don't have every single designer, but they do have loads of different designers that you've probably never heard of. They're a great one to peruse through and just go and just have a look and you'll find some new designers. You only pay 50% pre-order. Pay the other 50%, but it really doesn't feel like you're paying the full price. So that is another great one. Lastly, we have Shopstyle. Now, the thing about Shopstyle that I think is the best is a little bit like Farfetch in that it takes things from all over the internet. So you could type in sodding Miu Miu shoes and it's going to take everywhere there's Miu Miu shoes on the internet and show you. But they also have this feature which is you can heart it and then it will email you when there's a sale on it. So if you're like, oh, I love these shoes but not at full price, you heart it and then you'll get an email when she's on sale and then you can be like, oh yes, 40% off I'll take her, and there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Become a member of the 202 crew. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, and if you like luxury, you're probably going to like those too. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.